Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So today we are doing an episode where we're asking people what they know about Indians or India as a country. Do you know India?
Yeah, I know India is a country.
Do you know the country India or Indians?
Yeah, I know.
And do you know which continent India is in?
I don't know.
Do you know about India or Indians?
Yes, I know about that.
What continent does India belong to?
Asia.
Yes, I know India.
How do you know them?
Okay, India iko Asia.
Asia. Given a chance, is India a country you'd like to visit?
Yeah.
And how do you know Indians?
I know about their culture, where they do dances.
India is a country where mimi najua in most cases tunaongea sana ni pilipili, maua and everything to do with beauty.
You know Indians. Have you interacted with some of them?
One. I've ever interacted with one. Yeah.
And what's your impression of them?
Okay. They are not really bad, but they are a bit discriminating.
They're
Yeah.
discriminating.
Yeah.
What about their culture? Kwanza, what do you know Indians for? How did you come to know them?
In Kenya, they stay in Parkland.
What about their movies, songs? What have you come across those?
Yeah, sure. Their movie, I think they have a lot of exaggeration in their movie. In Indian movie, you can punch someone instead of someone falling down, is flying. So their movie, it has a lot of exaggeration, yeah. And dancing culture. So
And is there anything you love about Indians?
yeah. Some books say they are good in medicine, and normally when you hear someone is going for a certain surgery, you hear it's going to India. So I believe they are good in medicine and all that.
And would you marry an Indian girl given an opportunity?
And India. I come to hear that when you marry an Indian, the girl is the one to pay. Of course, I won't say no because you know what? It's good to try something.
So would you convert into their culture if that is necessary?
No, I'll stand with my culture.
Given a chance, is India a country you'd like to visit?
Sure, I've never been there, so exploring won't be a bad thing.
Given an opportunity, would you like to marry an Indian girl?
Yeah, it depends on the girl.
Have you watched their films and music?
Sana, sure, yeah.
What do you have to say about their industry?
Industry kwa moto lakini in most cases ni uongo mingi, but they have a good story to tell in the film industry.
Have you ever encountered an Indian here in Kenya?
Definitely yes, but never spoken to them.
And what's your impression of them?
Kudili na wao kidogo na kwa ngumu. Yeah.
So given an opportunity, is India a country you'd like to visit?
Yeah, I would love to be in Mumbai, India. Yeah? It's a good place. I love to experience, nione tu pia kama naweza fika kwa hizo film industry, nione pia the way they do it.
And would you marry an Indian girl given the opportunity?
I would, but in the same kidogo ni ngumu because okay, let me say this. Unapata kwa India mwanamke ndo anatoa mahari. Yeah, so they pay the dowry. So definitely hiyo ni advantage kwangu, you see. But sasa nayo ni ngumu. Ni ngumu because sisi kwa msaliti our women back home.
Given a chance, is India a country you'd like to visit?
Yeah, I would like to visit. Yeah.
And what do you love most about India?
Na nini hizo sauti zao za hizo za akina Kumbai hizo wana making.
So you've watched their movies and heard their music.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that?
Okay, when it comes to their movies they are wako sawa. Hizi linganisha movies za India na Kenyans. Hata music yao sijui sana about music, but movies zao ziko fiti sana. Yeah.
And given a chance right now, would you marry an Indian man?
No. Nasikianga tu story, yani weird zao.
About Indian men.
Yeah, not men but
The-
Indian.
Okay, what weird story? Can you tell us one weird story you've had?
Kama hizo stori za kulea manyoka, nasikianga wako na uchawi, vitu kama hizo. Alafu when you watch their movies zinakuanga tu weird.
Mauchawi.
Yeah, so me, I think they believe in witchcraft. So mimi sidhani naezoreka na Mugidia.
So if there's an Indian watching this video, please tell us on the comment section. Do you people rear snakes? Do you love witchcraft, practicing witchcraft? Let us know. We want to be educated, right?
Yeah.
Would you like to visit India?
Yeah, I would like to visit and especially nijue hizo about their movies. Yeah. Yeah.
And anything else in particular you'd like to see in India? You know India?
Yeah.
What about the Indians?
Hizo movies za Kihindi za Jaba.
That's how you know them.
Na pia I think mademu wao.
They have beautiful ladies.
Na beautiful songs.
So is India a country you'd like to visit given a chance?
Yeah, I like to travel, so definitely anywhere. Nenda tu.
Given an opportunity, would you like to marry an Indian girl?
Nasikia huko hivyo, sijui kama ni ukweli, lakini nasikia boys si analipanga mahari. Pia mimi naweza penda madhi yangu akuja aletewe mali.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
So what do you think about the people of India?
Specify about their movies, how they act. Wako na lies, but lies zimekuwa portrayed in a good way. Yeah.
What is one lie that you can remember from a movie?
There was an actor mwenye alikanyaga chini hivi kwa nguvu and everything came up. So unaona hiyo ni lie too, definitely.
But it's entertaining.
Yeah.
Given a chance, is India a country you'd like to visit?
Yes.
What about if you are given an opportunity to marry an Indian girl? Would you consider?
Nope.
No, why?
Because I heard that they are the ladies, they are the ones who marry, not the men. So sijui kama ni kweli. Yeah, na siwezi kubali kweli. I don't want to marry.
Okay.